Protecting our digital assets investment is extremely important, and the best way to do that is by completely owning and controlling them through our cold storage hardware wallets. But before we dive into that, many people find the process of setting up their own crypto wallet and transferring their crypto into it incredibly daunting. Private keys, public keys, wallet addresses, seed phrases, on-chain, off-chain, blockchain, gas fees, transaction fees, and different networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. It's no wonder that this speculative tech is filled with confusing jargon for newcomers. It does take a fair amount of time and energy to wrap your heads around it and how it all works. Well, in today's video, we're going to break down everything from crypto wallets to all the confusing jargon into simple and easy to understand concepts. By the end of this video, you'll feel so much more comfortable transferring your crypto off exchanges into your own safe wallet, putting you in complete control of your assets. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in underlaying the tech that makes all this possible, don't miss out on our upcoming video on blockchain. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out any upcoming future videos. Let's dive in. Well, welcome to a world of cryptocurrency, where the rewards can be amazing, but security is everything. Crypto wallets play a huge role for our digital investment, and understanding how they work is key to mastering your crypto journey. But first off, what is a crypto wallet? Well, when you think of a wallet, you'd probably think of some physical wallet where it holds cash or coin. Well, it's not a physical wallet that holds your cash or coin. Instead, it's a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive your cryptocurrencies. And it's understandable if they sound confusing. Don't worry, I've got your back. By the end of this video, and for some after watching a few times, you'll be familiar with these terms and have the confidence to secure your assets. Now, to put it in simple terms, a crypto wallet is essentially your digital safe where you store your cryptocurrencies. It doesn't actually store your actual coins or tokens, but rather the private and public keys that allow you to send and receive and have access to your digital assets. Think of it like a bank account, but instead of holding your cash, it holds the keys to your crypto. Now, what's exactly inside this crypto wallet? Let's break down the two most important components in your crypto wallet: public keys and private key. Public key is your wallet address. This is like your email address. You can share it with others to send or receive your crypto. This is the address that you'll be using to receive your crypto from your friends, exchanges, or anyone else. Next, coming to private keys. Private keys is basically your password. Never ever shared with anyone. The private keys grant you access to your funds. And if someone gets access to your private key, they can control your crypto assets and transactions. The third one is seed phrase. When setting up your wallet, you'll be given a 12 to 24 word seed phrase. This is your backup. It's the most important thing that you'll need if you ever lose access to your wallet. Write it down in a notebook or a piece of paper and never store it digitally because it's easier for hackers to steal it. Moving on, let's talk about types of crypto wallets. These are the two main crypto wallets that you need to know about: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are software wallets. These are connected to the internet, which makes them easier to use for everyday transactions. You can download apps on your phone or computer that will serve you as your crypto wallet. Now, the pros of this is that it's quick and convenient for trading and it's easy to access, but the cons of this, since they're online, they're more vulnerable to hacking. Think of them like keeping your money in your wallet instead of the bank. The second is the cold wallet, which is your hardware wallet. These are physical devices that store your private key, making them much more secure for hacking attempts. Now, the pros of this is that it's extremely secure, ideal for storing large amounts of crypto. And the cons of this is that it's likely going to take more effort to set up and manage. Think of this as keeping your valuables locked away in a safe deposit box at a bank. You've probably heard about blockchain and terms like on-chain versus off-chain. Here's a quick explanation. Don't worry, I'll be making a detailed video on blockchain very soon, so stay tuned for that and subscribe. Now, coming to blockchain, blockchain is the technology that makes cryptocurrencies possible. It's a public ledger of transactions that are stored across a network of computers, ensuring that every transaction is verified and immutable. And now coming to on-chains, on-chains refer to any transactions that happen directly on the blockchain. For example, sending Bitcoin from one wallet to another wallet is an on-chain transaction. And now, off-chain. Off-chain refers to any transaction that happens outside the blockchain, often for faster and cheaper transactions. For example, when you use a centralized exchange to trade, the actual trade might not be recorded on the blockchain immediately, but rather settled in the background. Now let's talk about gas fees and transaction fees. Terms you probably heard a lot, but never fully understood. Gas fees are fees that you pay to perform a transaction on certain blockchains, especially on Ethereum. Think of it like paying for a transaction fees when you're using a payment app. And now coming to transaction fees, these are fees that you pay when sending crypto, and they can vary depending on the blockchain that you're using. Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to have higher transaction fees compared to Solana. Alright, now it's time to choose the right wallet for you. Based based on your needs. Here are things that you should consider. The first one is how often do you trade? If you're a trader, a hot wallet might be best for you because it's more convenient for quick transactions. The second is how much crypto do you hold? Now, if you're holding a significant amount of crypto, especially for long-term storage, then a cold wallet will give you the security you need to protect your assets. Number 3 is which cryptocurrencies do you hold? Make sure that your wallet supports your cryptocurrencies that you hold. Some wallets only support Bitcoin and Ethereum, while others support a variety of altcoins like Litecoin, Dogecoin, Solana, and more. And now that you've set up your wallet, it's time to transfer your crypto from an exchange or another wallet. The step 1 is to open your wallet and locate your public address, which is your wallet address. Step 2 is go to the exchange or other wallet where your crypto is being stored and enter your wallet's public address. Step 3 is double check the address before confirming the transaction. Crypto transactions are irreversible. And there you have it. By now, I think you have a clear understanding on how crypto wallets work and the key concepts involved in securing your crypto. Remember that securing your crypto isn't just about picking the right wallet, it's about taking control of your assets and owning your security. Whether you're using hot wallets for easy access or cold wallets to have long-term peace of mind, it's important to take the necessary precautions to ensure that your crypto stays safe. Well, that's the end of this video. Check out the links in the description box below for free resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates and tutorials. And stay tuned for the upcoming video on blockchain. And turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.